Balinese experience offers exciting adventure attractions. Those looking for thrills to make a vacation truly memorable can try whitewater rafting. Proven safety record makes Ayung river rafting suitable for all visitors. Ayung River Rafting operates the longest whitewater rafting course on the island. The winding water snakes its way through a tropical paradise. Surprises await around every corner. More experienced whitewater rafters can accept the challenge of the Upper Ayung. Wild Ayung is the only Class 4 run in Bali. This adventure begins at the highest navigable point on the river.
I like it. Really cool.
Wild Ayung is available only to guests with strong swimming skills and good physical fitness.
Awesome.
A more relaxed but equally rewarding adventure awaits at the base camp. Village cycling, a bicycle tour through the Balinese heartland. The exploration begins amid verdant rice fields, continuing through rural communities where the ancient coexists with the modern. The tour ends at Sangay. Sangay is believed to be a sanctuary of holy spirits. Another of Bali's most sacred locations, Lake Batur in the volcanic highlands, is the starting point for the best downhill cycling run in all of Bali. The route takes guests into the heart of the countryside to experience the world-famed Balinese hospitality. The spectacular rice terraces at Jatilui, a World Heritage Site, is the venue for the Rice Paddy Cycling Tour, which includes some off-road riding and hill climbs. For some, a vacation means relaxation. A rugged Volkswagen Safari takes guests to all corners of Bali with comfort and security. Tours include a visit to the Bali Butterfly Park, where guests can get up close and personal with beautiful butterfly species from throughout the archipelago. Guests who want to experience Bali's own natural wonders in their native habitat can take the Jungle Trek tour through the highlands of Bedugul. Guides explain the workings of the tropical rainforest, followed with a refreshing paddle across Lake Wayan. The island's most coveted resource, endless beaches, have not been overlooked by Balinese experience. The horseback tour is an appealing mix of relaxation and exploration. These beautiful beasts trot along paths closed to other transport, taking guests to places rarely seen by tourists. The highlight is a thrilling seaside gallop. Our latest attraction is a fun-filled activity that supports our commitment to environmental responsibility. In the Bali Elephant Camp, the elephants live with the dignity befitting these mighty kings of the forest. They have even found a new career path as tour guides. The patient tour guide takes guests on a relaxing exploration of their new neighborhood. The adventure ends with the common custom of tipping the tour guide. Remember, an elephant never forgets. And no one will forget their wedding day if an elephant is their limo. In this innovative recreation of a Balinese royal wedding, the bride and groom become king and queen for a day. A thrilling morning on a wild river, or a relaxing ride through a traditional village, an adventure awaits that will provide a true Balinese experience. A true Balinese experience.